What's up, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading coming at you with another killer trading session in the market today on what many people claim was a slow day, right? Now, in just a few moments, I'm going to go over for you guys how this perfect trading setup printed for us today allowed us to squeeze a massive potential 400 ticks, okay? But here's where I want to start, all right? One thing that I cannot stand is when people complain about quote-unquote slow days. There's no such thing as a slow day. The people that I think have this notion of slow days or fast days or whatever the case is, right? Those are the kind of people that fit into one of two categories. Number one, they're definitely a retail amateur trader, simply because they don't know any better, right? And I hate to say this, all right, so please don't take any offense to this, but I feel that a lot of you guys are in that camp. You just don't know any better. But even worse, the people that somehow think that there's slow days and fast days, all right, these are people that are obsessed with maybe one symbol, right? Like, let's just say all you trade is the ES or the S&P 500, okay? Well, then, yeah, for you, it was a slow day. Not for me, right? Not for any of my people, because I train my clients to keep an open mind and to have a multiple watch list. Case in point, this chart that you're seeing right now that we're going to go over, this is the NASDAQ. You guys know I love the NASDAQ. This market has been on fire. The NASDAQ, in my opinion, has not had a slow day in 20 years. All right? This thing moves and ticks hard every single trading session. All right? So shame on you if you felt that today was a slow day. Maybe for you, but not for me. Okay? Now, for those of you guys that are new and for those of you guys that are long-term customers and or subscribers, you know what we're going to look at, right? We're going to take a look at this beautiful green and red volume indicator color band. What is this indicator? Well, it's a proprietary indicator that gets overlaid on top of your chart that tells you a potential trend change. It's very, very good at potentially helping you identify who's in control at any one moment in time. All right, when it's red, tells you that the sellers are in control. And when it's green, obviously what that means is the buyers are in control. And what happened at this exact moment in time at about 8:30 a.m. today, all right, this was a potential trend change to the long side. Okay, you guys know that. All you guys that caught this move, congratulations. But I'm going to tell you how to actually play this. Okay, we do not rush in and buy the market just because there's a trend change, right? Instead, what we want to see is an immediate upward momentum, check. We then want to see the market dip back, and come back to us, giving us a much better fill, check. And the last and final thing that we look for, guys and gals, and you know what's coming up next, right? We look for a color match. Okay, I want to see a green reversal bar. There it is. That shows up as part of a retracement. And this green reversal bar has to and must be underneath the color band. You understand what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? Right? So this is the signal. No two ways about it. This is the signal to go long this market. Not over here, but over here. You understand? And so I would look to potentially go long on the open of the next bar. I'd place my stop loss 1 or 2 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex, okay? Underneath the signal bar's low. And that was it for this trading session. All right? This market surged the rest of the trading day for a shocking 400 tick or pip potential. All right, guys and gals. So 2 takeaways that I want you to glean from this video. Number 1, there can never be and there will never be a substitute for having the best trend trading indicator on the planet. That's what I think this volume indicator actually is. All right. It is world class at being able to predict a trend before that trend actually happens. And takeaway number 2, guys and gals, There's no such thing as a slow day. There are setups and signals to be had almost every single trading day of the week, of the month, of the year, and it simply comes down to you guys and gals out there having and keeping an open mind with respect to what you are trading. And you know what? I'm going to throw something else for you. I'm going to really give you some value today. All right. The reason that my people find this indicator so attractive is when these retracements print, especially if it's a deep enough retracement, and of course you know your market very well, you've done your back testing, typically the stop loss never gets touched. I mean, this was the stop loss, right, from today. This blue line never got touched today, right? I mean, imagine coming up with a trading system and a trading style where your stop loss is placed on a logical area of the market, right? That's what makes all these setups what I consider to be, and in my opinion, perfect setups. Makes sense, guys and gals? So look, congrats to all you guys that caught this trade. This was an absolute monster on what many other retail trader clowns thought was a slow day, all right? And look, no matter what happens tomorrow, whether we get more continuation to the long side or the market reverses and gives us a nice sell-off, we're going to be there to try to catch these perfect retracements. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.